Jillian Akiko Nakamura Thomson Guevara, born October 8, 1974, is a Filipina television host, journalist, and retired swimmer. She is the most accomplished Filipina swimmer in the Southeast Asian Games, having won 8 gold medals in the biennial multi-sport meet between 1987 and 1993. Jillian Akiko Nakamura Thomson was born on October 8, 1974, in Washington, D.C., in the United States, the youngest of 3 children. Akiko was born to a Japanese mother from Hiroshima, Hiroko Nakamura, and an American father, James Marsh Thomson. When she was young, she and her family moved to Manila, where her father, who had previous experience with the United States Office of Naval Intelligence, became the executive director of the American Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines in the 1970s. Thomson entered the University of California, Berkeley after taking part in the 1990 Summer Olympics. She graduated with a major in anthropology and a minor in theater. She took her master's degree in business administration at the Ateneo de Manila University. Thomson began swimming at the age of 6 at the Manila Army and Navy Club, where her family had lived nearby. She became part of the club's swimming team. Thomson was invited to join the Philippine national team when she was 10 years old. She started to represent the Philippines in several swimming competitions locally and abroad after becoming a naturalized Filipino citizen through Presidential Decree No. 1983 issued in 1985. Among the tournaments she competed in are the 1987, 1989, 1991, and 1993 Southeast Asian Games, where she won 8 gold medals in total, and also in 3 editions of the Summer Olympic Games in 1988, 1992, and 1996. She was also co-captain of the California Golden Bears swimming team on her senior year at University of California, Berkeley. Personal life: Thomson is married to Samuel Chips Guevara. Since June 2009, they have 2 sons and a daughter who has Down syndrome. more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of Thomson Vlogs.